sugar, sugar cane, something we sweet like sugar cane. Sugar, sugar cane, something we sweet as sugar cane.
I have the Joico Color Intensity eraser, so I'll be using that, and I'm going to use this dedicated developer in Lumi Shine 20 volume. See that? I'm gonna try these 3 ways of removing color, and I'll figure out which one is best. Then I'll just go ahead and use that. And I'm gonna be using chromasilk 000, which is like the lightning booster. It's clear. I will try and use that to remove the color and see how that goes with 30 volume developer. And then sometimes I use Zero Lift, and I use this Pravana Pure Light Cream Lightener. So I'll try all these 3 methods and see which one will get the color out quickly by doing a tester. Then I'll proceed with the one that works out best. So we will see how this goes, but I'm trying to remove pink and do a color correction after that. I tested out the 3 methods of trying to remove this color out of her hair. And the first foil is the Joico eraser. The second foil is the Zero Lift Lightning Booster in Pravana chromasilk 30 volume. And then the third foil is the Pravana cream lightener with Zero Lift developer. As you can tell, as it's processing, I noticed that the Joico eraser did okay, but it didn't really intensively remove color, but it worked out a little bit. The lightning booster with 30 volume Pravana, I didn't see that much change, and of course I felt like the Pravana Zero Lift with the cream developer did the most of the removing of the color, so I decided to use that. So I went through the whole head with the Pravana Zero Lift developer and cream lightener, and went through the whole head and applied that. This is the very first session of it. It did remove a little bit of color. I ended up blow drying the hair, and you can tell that a lot of the pink has left the hair as of right now. I am quite impressed with the very first time around, how much color, how much pink I was able to take out. So I'm re-sectioning off the hair. I split it into the 4 regular standard sections, and I am taking very, very small sections again, and I am reapplying the Pravana cream lightener mixed with the Zero Lift developer, and I am going through small sections all over the hair again. As you can see, I am taking very, very, very small sections. I'm trying not to miss any spots so that I can go through again and remove the rest of the pink that's left out in her hair. And then I am going to proceed to lift her roots out and eliminate this orangey color that she has on her roots. Her roots were previously lifted by whoever did her hair, and I don't think that it was lifted high enough, and so that's why it's super orangey, because she has dark hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift her roots with Schwarzkopf blondeme lightener mixed with 20 volume developer, and I am going to proceed to get this orangey look out into a more yellowish tone so I can reapply my desired end color to her hair. So as of right now, I am making sure that I can go through this hair and make it as even as possible in removing this color. So far, so good, and I'm assuming that by the time I'm done with this process, most of the pink will be out. The Pravana cream liner has worked really well for me, and so I think I'm probably most likely going to be using it to remove all my, fashion colors, semi-permanent colors, so that it'll be breezy every time I have to redo this process again. So let's just go through it, and then we'll see what happens.
In me, I tell you what, come be my melody, I'll be your harmony. You are in me, I tell you what. Come be my melody, I'll be your harmony. Baby boy, you they blow me away. So mommy, baby, just sung balaja. You light up my world like the 4th of July. Now you where they bust up my medulla. Oh yeah, oh my god, you wanna call ole mundu me do. Know that I'm down for whatever. So baby, come give me some sugar, sugar cane. Something way sweet like sugar cane. Sugar, sugar cane. Something way sweet past sugar cane. Sugar, sugar cane. Something way sweet like sugar cane. Sugar, sugar cane. Something way sweet past sugar cane.
We're finally closer to the end of this crazy hair fixing. I had toned the ends of her hair with chromasilk pearl toner, and then from her roots to about midshaft towards the end, I had applied Tang, then my permanent dusty lavender. So that's what you can see, the purplish tone.
You're funny. You're so funny. Okay. And I'm gonna take my pictures and I'm gonna
Mix phones up.
Sugar, sugar cane. Something way sweet like sugar cane. Sugar, sugar cane. Something way sweet past sugar cane. Sugar, sugar cane. Something way sweet like sugar cane. Sugar, sugar cane. Something way sweet.